Very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are good and are in good mood of studying today. So yesterday what we did, yesterday I told you about PEM, that is protein, energy, malnutrition. Am I audible? My voice is clear? Just tell me. Okay, yes, thumbs up, Akshara is showing, fine. Okay, fine. So see, yesterday what we did is something little complex for you. Okay, when I was video calling you, so I was asking you about yesterday's lecture, PEM, and what it is. So not all were able to tell clearly. So again, I'm repeating that what is PEM? PEM is protein, energy, malnutrition. Understand what is PEM? Protein, energy, malnutrition. Okay, now understand what is this term. Protein, energy, malnutrition means first of all, understand what is the meaning of malnutrition. The meaning of malnutrition is less nutrition. Okay, less nutrition means when there is lack of nutrients in the diet. Okay, then it is known as malnutrition. Clear? So protein, energy, malnutrition means kiski malnutrition, protein and energy. You know protein is one nutrient and energy we get from carbohydrates. Okay, energy we get from carbohydrates. What happened? Just wait. Okay. Yes, there is some problem in my camera. Actually, it is not working properly. So I'm telling you, if you cannot read, just tell me. I'll let you know. Okay, but I think you're able to read. I think what is written. Okay. So PEM is what? Protein, energy, malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Malnutrition means when there is less nutrition in the food. Okay. So kiski less nutrition? Protein and energy. Protein is a nutrient. Energy we get from carbohydrates. That means lack of protein and carbohydrates in the diet leads to this condition that is known as protein, energy, malnutrition. Clear? Now, under this, we studied two diseases, and the name of those two diseases are very important. And I'm adding those who are there in the waiting room, they are coming in. Okay. Name of two diseases. Can anyone tell me what were the name of two diseases that we did yesterday? Yes, Aste.
Ma'am, kwashiorkor and marasmus.
Yes, kwashiorkor and marasmus. And see, you have to understand how to pronounce these two. Kwashiorkor, K-W-A, kwa, S-H-I-O-R, sure, and K-O-R is kor. Kwashiorkor. Okay? And marasmus. Marasmus. Somebody yesterday, some students were बोल रहे हैं पता नहीं maramus, muramus. I don't know what they were speaking. Okay, that was very funny to hear. So you have to understand how to pronounce them correctly. This is kwashiorkor, marasmus. Okay, these two terms are new for you, but you have to learn them. Yes, Mannat, you are raising hand. Why? Okay. Clear these two things. Then I told you the symptoms of kwashiorkor and marasmus. Kwashiorkor में क्या होता है? It is stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases, and diarrhea. And marasmus, the symptoms of marasmus is the growth stops completely, person becomes very lean and thin and very weak. So this condition is more dangerous than kwashiorkor. I know there is a little problem in the video today. I know you have to bear with it. Okay, so actually this is the other camera which I'm using. So that camera is not working, which is clear. So please bear with it. But I think it is readable. I don't think there is any problem in reading. You can, if you're using the phone, use the horizontal view so that the image becomes flat. Okay. So I'm telling you about yesterday's class only, protein, energy, malnutrition, and kwashiorkor and marasmus. It is readable. I can read it. It is readable. Okay, now come to the next page. I told you to draw this table also. Table 2.3 we are going to discuss. Okay, so what is table 2.3? It is the some diseases or disorders caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Now you will tell me, I'll ask you. Okay, only raise hands. So first is vitamin A. So deficiency of vitamin A cause which disease? Yes, Satveer.
Ma'am, loss of vision.
Loss of vision, or can you name it in another way? Loss of vision is also known as
Night blindness.
blindness. Okay, blindness, but especially lack of vitamin A causes night blindness. Manpreet, please mute yourself. Don't unmute Bhuvnesh. Okay, so first we will discuss, and after that we will discuss this back exercises. Today we have to complete the chapter. Okay, too long it is taking. 2 weeks are going to pass. So first is vitamin A. So vitamin A, you know that it is required for keeping our skin and eyes healthy. Okay, so vitamin A, if there is lack of vitamin A in the diet, then the person will suffer from loss of vision. Loss of vision means blindness, or it can be night blindness also. And what are the symptoms? Symptoms are poor vision, loss of vision in the darkness, that is night blindness, sometimes complete loss of vision. So these are the symptoms. If the person are having these signs in his or her body, then he might be suffering from night blindness, or in his or her body there is lack of vitamin A. Here, next is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, I told you why it is written B1 here, because vitamin B is a group of vitamins. Vitamin B complex we call it. So vitamin B, vitamin A causes and vitamin B1. So vitamin B1 is a type of vitamin B complex, and it is from vitamin B1 to B12. This whole group of vitamins is known as vitamin B complex. So deficiency of vitamin B1 in the diet causes which disease? It is beriberi. Okay, let us discuss the table. When we will discuss the exercises, then you raise your hand. Otherwise, you can leave because you have to complete the chapter also. Okay, so vitamin B1, deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. And what are the symptoms of this disease? Symptoms are bleeding gums. Bleeding gums means, so gums start bleeding. So gums become weak. So you know, upper part of the teeth, they are gums, and they become weak and they start bleeding. Khoon nikalta hai gums mein se, and wounds take longer time to heal. And when you get injured, so that time after injury, the wound, जो आपकी चोट होती है, it takes longer time to heal. Otherwise, If there is proper vitamin B1 in the body will take proper time to heal. But if there is lack of vitamin B1, the wound will take longer time to, no, sorry, this one, I'm telling you about vitamin C. Vitamin B1 symptoms are weak muscles. Sorry, bleeding gums and wounds take longer time to heal. These are the symptoms of vitamin C. Okay. Oh, sorry, I just got the mistake. So vitamin B1, very, and symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Okay. So these are the symptoms that you have to learn. Then vitamin C. So deficiency of vitamin C in the diet causes which disease? That is scurvy. SCURVY, scurvy. And symptoms of scurvy are bleeding gums and wounds take longer time to heal. Yes. Then vitamin D, lack of vitamin D in the diet causes rickets. The disease name is rickets, and it in this bones become soft and bent. So sometimes you might have seen the babies have legs like this. Okay, the legs are not straight, legs become bent, legs become soft and bent. That is due to lack of vitamin D in the diet, and this disorder is known as rickets. And then calcium, you know, calcium is needed for the healthy development of the bones. So if calcium is lacking in the diet, then what the person will suffer from? Bone and tooth decay. So bones will also not become strong and teeth will also not become strong. Okay. So the person will have, what are the symptoms? Weak bones and tooth decay. ठीक है, उसकी हड्डियां कमजोर होंगी and tooth decay means the tooth will get the cavities. Okay, सड़ने लग जाते हैं teeth. Then next is iodine. So iodine is a mineral which is also important in the diet, and lack of iodine causes which disease? It is goiter. Goiter, Goitre, not ER. Mostly we write RE. So here you please change the spellings. Not ER, it is RE. Make it RE, not ER. Okay, goiter. GOITRE, goiter. ER नहीं लिखना है, RE लिखना है. Okay, goiter. And what are the symptoms? Symptoms are glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. So what happened? This area, okay, so this area, the neck area becomes swollen. यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा swelling हो जाती है और एक lump सा हो जाता है ऐसे करके. Okay, you can easily see a lump here on your neck. So that is due to deficiency of iodine. That is goiter. So a very big lump is formed in the neck area. That is the symptom of goiter. And then the person feels difficulty in swallowing the food and in breathing also. And there is mental disability also in the children, because you know this is the area, and back side you have spinal cord. So spinal cord is the area where these messages to the brains go. So if this area is swollen, that means the messages to the brains will not go properly and brain will also not work properly. Okay. So that is glands in the neck appear swollen. Okay, and mental disability in children. Then last is iron. So iron is a mineral, and lack of the deficiency of iron in the diet causes which disease? That is anemia. Okay, anemia, and symptoms are weakness. Weakness means कि body में blood नहीं बन रहा है and blood cells जो है उसकी count बहुत low हो गई है. ठीक है? So that is lack of iron in the diet, and the disease is anemia. Symptom is weakness. Okay, so this was the chart, the table of deficiency diseases. Any doubt in this? Now you can ask me. Important table, questions and count. Fine. So with this, our chapter is complete. Is there any doubt? Anything you didn't understand in the chapter? You tell me. So quickly, I will just tell you what we read in the chapter. From the beginning, I told you about nutrients. Okay, then we did 3 tests: starch test, protein test, fat test, Then I told you that various nutrients are present in the food like vitamins and minerals. I told you about the functions of vitamins and minerals. We did sources also, functions also. Then I told you about roughage part, function of roughage in the diet, then function of water in the diet. And then I told you about balanced diet. And lastly, I told you about PEM, protein energy malnutrition, and two diseases, kwashiorkor and marasmus, and deficiency diseases that due to the deficiency of certain vitamins and minerals in the diet, what diseases the person can suffer from and what are their symptoms. So this was your chapter. Okay, I hope it is clear.